Welcome back to another vlog. We are about to hit the mall. My boy pulled up with the goods, about to read this book. If you guys read it, comment down below and let me know what you guys think of it. First stop on our little adventure, and we've made it to the Waymo headquarters. All right, Daddy's home. Look at these guys. Comment down below if you guys know what kind of oranges these are. Produce heaven, guys. Produce heaven. Purple carrots. If you guys haven't had these are literally the best bananas right here. Manzano bananas, I believe they stand for apple bananas. Yeah, they are fire. These are super delicious. Kind of want to get some, but it's going to take like a week and a half for these to ripen up. So, you know, we're going to wait on it. All right, guys, if the baby bananas weren't enough, we got some red ones right here. You can see they say reds on them. I've had them before. They weren't too ripe, but they were pretty hard. Yeah, they're not good, huh? That's what I'm saying. Yeah, so the guy that works here also just told us they're not good, to confirm what I was saying earlier. But we're gonna put them down for now, but stay blessed. Here's vegan food heaven. All the bulk. Look at all this. Greatness. You can make your own peanut butter. How cool is this, guys? You literally get a cup. It's plastic, I know it's not the greatest, but you use this machine right here, you hit the start button, and then you get peanut butter, fresh. Only one ingredient, organic dry roasted peanuts. Nice and clean. This one has honey in it, so we'll X that one out. And these ones are organic dry roasted almonds. So you can have almond butter, fresh. Or you can put it in your Vitamix and get it the same way. I've been slowing down on the soy a little bit. No particular reason, but this is the hemp milk that I've been getting. Unsweetened original hemp milk. And it is fortified. Not a huge fan of the fortification because it's synthetic vitamins and minerals. Mike, let me know what you think. I don't get this a lot, but this is an honorable mention right here. Look how clean it is. Filtered water, sprouted organic whole grain oats, and Himalayan salt. Love that. So I would have got the pizza, but we're actually gonna go to Pomegranate Cafe right now, and we're gonna get some vegan nachos. So I have to exercise discipline right now and not to eat. It's very hard because there's so much good food here, but we'll be at Pomegranate Cafe soon, and I can't wait to show you guys that because those nachos are just delicious. But I'm gonna get a juice or something like that, we'll see. 40% off, I'm sold. Organic pineapple, mango, apple, and acerola cherries. Amazon's just ahead of the curve. Ahead of the curve. We did it, guys. We successfully didn't break the bank at Whole Foods. All I got was a juice. It's really good. I don't know if you guys saw that Prime pickup in there, but people place their orders online and then come and pick it up in those little fridges. Amazon is ahead of the curve. If you didn't know, Amazon owns Whole Foods. Shout out Bezos. Love that new car smell. It smells good in here. All right, now where are we going?
Chandler Mall.
Chandler Mall, all right. All right, guys, now we're in Macy's. I'm going up an escalator. Hey, gotta look at some kitchenware. See if we can find some stainless steel stuff. Hey, well, guys, I mean, I don't know if I'm seeing things, but this looks kind of fresh. Yay or nay? What do you guys think? All right, guys, I think I'm gonna get this. You guys gotta let me know what it looks like on me. Oh, it's inside out. Oh, no, it's not. I thought it could go both ways, reversible. What do you guys think? Yay or nay? Comment down below, please. Real quick, from from Macy's, and now we are in H&M. My boy's looking for some stuff, and let's see what we can find. Let's see what we got here. What are we looking at? What are we looking at? Oh, you got the cookies and cream sweater, or the cream, I should say, cream sweater. What's that? What's that?
Army green.
Olive green?
Army green.
Army green. Army green. Jean shorts. What do you guys think of these jorts? Yeah, bro. That's the look right there. I'm digging it. I'm digging it. Look like a wise man. Oh, that tag though. Jeez. Shouldn't have turned around. Guys, what kind of world do we live in to where there's a CVS vending machine? What is going on here? What is this? All right, guys, so we just finished at the mall, and now we are going to Pomegranate Cafe. About to get some vegan nachos. All right, guys, we are back again. Check it out. Yes. About to get our nacho fix on. Oh, I can't wait, guys. You want to sit inside or outside? Guys, look at this. Got the full-size nachos. So did my boy. And we are about to freaking feast, man. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. All right, let's do this. Spot on.
Yeah, spot on.
I don't always say that though, but yeah. But I think I always say delicious more. It's good. All right, guys, so we just finished the food, and man, let me tell you, it was spot on. My friend's making fun of me because I always say spot on, but I'm serious. These nachos are really good. Walnut meat, queso made from cauliflower, all veggies. I mean, you can't beat it. Spot on. That's the perfect definition for it. So I'll show you guys what it's looking like. Completely devoured. So we're gonna head out of here soon, and we're gonna go watch the Tyson Fury Wilder fight number 2, so we can get our boxing in. So I'll see you guys when I get there. Peace. All right, guys, we just finished up at Pomegranate Cafe, and like I said before, it was spot on, and I'm full. And my boy had it for the first time. What'd you think?
Pretty good. 8 out of 10. I like it though.
8 out of 10. All right, I'll see you guys later.